HomePod Mini can be a great speaker for Apple TV 4K. Want to know how you can use your HomePod Mini with Apple TV? Here in this video, we will show you how to do it. Now let's check out the process. Before you start the process, you have to set up your HomePod Mini with iPhone or iPad. As you can't do it with your Apple TV, we have a video about how you can set it up. We will leave the video in the description, you can check it out. After you set up your HomePod Mini, you have to make sure both Apple TV and HomePod Mini are using the same Wi-Fi, and make sure both are set up for the same room in the Home app. As our HomePod Mini is set up for office, here is how you can change the room for Apple TV. Open Settings on Apple TV, select AirPlay and HomeKit, make sure the AirPlay is on, click Room, select the same room as the HomePod Mini. We are selecting Office. Now open your Home app. You will get this pop-up. Tap Add Me to Apple TV. Now both Apple TV and HomePod Mini is set up for the same room in the Home app. Let's check out how you can connect the HomePod Mini with your Apple TV. Open Apple TV Control Center. You will see the AirPlay button. Click on it. Select HomePod Mini. Now the HomePod Mini will act as the speaker for Apple TV. Now whatever you play in the Apple TV, the sound will be playing from the HomePod Mini. Thanks for watching the video. If you have any query on the topic, let us know in the comment box. Thank you.